Us, Sensei Clara here. In today's video, I'll show you a few Kumite drills that you can do in your lounge. As you can see, I'm in my lounge and I'm demonstrating for you. So, first, you go into a fighting stance, right? From bouncing here, you're gonna advance and you're gonna throw a Jordan punch. Okay, you follow it up with a Chudan punch. So when you do that, you shuffle forward and throw a Chudan punch. Make sure you're reaching so you can reach your opponent. And then after that, you are going to follow it up with a front roundhouse kick. So I'm going to be kicking with my left leg. So from here. So if you noticed, when I did the kick, I moved my back foot forward so I can cover some ground and reach for my opponent. So in full action, it's going to look like this. One more time. Okay, right. Another variation for that is the first two moves are the same, but the third move is going to be a roundhouse kick, mawashigiri, using my right leg. So, it's going to look like this. Ich, ni, san. Right. Try again. Ich, ni, san. In full action, it's going to look like this. Tay. Another Kumite drill that you can do in your lounge is from fighting stance. You're going to throw a side snap kick with your left leg, follow it up with a back fist, and follow it up with a gyakuzuki or reverse punch. So it's going to look like this. From bouncing, side snap kick. Just before your foot lands to the ground, throw a back fist. And as it's on its way back, throw gyakuzuki. If your opponent keeps moving backward, of course you're going to have to advance forward. So it's going to look like this. Okay, again. Here, ich, ni, san. Ich, ni, san. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe for more. See you next time.